Now, I'm going to go down here to our transactional area. In the application, there are a lot of places where we're storing financial information, pledges, invoice designations, invoices, payments, payment designations, recurring, soft credits, all of that stuff. You didn't have a good way, one, of querying across all of those at the same time, nor displaying them at the same time within the application. We combated that a little bit with some of the newer Power BI dashboards where we gave you that visibility into it, but we wanted to do something additional. So you now have an entity called transactions. Transactions will list out all of the different transactions. In this case, I'm in the associated view. I'm going to reorder this by accounting date. This will show me whether it's a pledge, a payment, a soft credit, recurrings in here. It will show me all of the information related to each of these different transaction types and how they work, how they've been designated throughout the application. This has a lot of information that is associated to it. I'm going to open up just the record for a second. We, of course, have the transaction number, so you know exactly where it is. It's in the payment area. It's related to the batch control that it was in. You're able to navigate and actually report with the batch control information. If there was a related opportunity or event or non-cash or recurring or soft credit, those are all lookups on here, which means when you're doing searches, you now will have the ability to use those entities also in the search. Pledge information, of course, is tied to the invoice, but it can also be tied to the plan gift that we might have for it. You have your designation tie right here, which means we can use the designation capabilities. We're searching for those things. All of the campaign activities are here, and then the adjustment information is also here. Keep in mind what I said. This is now a searchable entity. If I use advanced find, I now have the ability to go transactions, and within transactions, I had the ability to run searches on any of this information. The other thing that we gave you is some out-of-the-box charts. So if you want to look at transactions by payment method, or you want to look at transaction amounts by campaign, or you want to look at the amounts by month that they've given, we've already given you some default charts that are sitting right at the constituent level, so you're able to take a look at those throughout the application. So again, this is probably one of the most exciting things that is coming out with the new application is the ability now to have this type of information at your fingertips in a searchable way. You can also, of course, use the filtering capabilities. This is one thing also that has changed on your views. You don't have to click another button to filter. It is just go to a field and use the filter by, or use the sort. So you don't have to go someplace else. That's changed within here.